Genspark AI Review. Is it the best AI search tool? Hey tech fans. Genspark AI is shaking up search in 2025 with its AI-powered Spark Pages. I tested it against top rivals to see if it's the best for speed, accuracy, and usability. In 2 minutes, I'll give you the verdict. Let's dive in. What is Genspark AI? Genspark AI, founded by ex-Baidu execs, is a search engine that creates custom Spark pages, single-page summaries with text, videos, and an AI copilot. It's free, uses multiple AI models, and aims to cut through spam and bias. Performance and features. I searched for Best Laptops 2025 and got a Spark page with reviews, specs, and a chatbot for follow-ups. It's fast, pulling data in seconds, and the UI is clean. Privacy solid with no ad-driven clutter, but some results felt too curated, missing niche sources. Comparison to alternatives. Perplexity, a conversational AI search, is great for quick answers but less visual. And it's $20 per month pro tier limits, free users. Como AI, also free, offers structured results but lacks Genspark's interactive Spark pages. Genspark's multi-agent system, 11 specialized AIs per query, delivers richer, multimedia content, though occasional inaccuracies, like outdated links, popped up. Recommendation. Genspark's a game changer for researchers, students, and pros needing curated, visual results fast. Its free tier, privacy focus, and Spark pages outshine Perplexity's simplicity and Como's basic structure. For most, Genspark's balance of depth and ease wins. Try it free at genspark.ai. Used Genspark? Comment your thoughts. Hit like, subscribe for more AI tool reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one.